the Painting Baby Hand channel.
Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I am coloring an octopus. Let's color her head first. First I'll color its head. Pink color. Now I'll tell you a story about octopus. Story name is Ollie Brilliant Escape. In a colorful ocean, an intelligent octopus named Ollie lived in a cozy tent. One day, a driver trapped Ollie in a net. Determined to escape, Ollie used his 8 arms to untangle himself. He changed color to confuse the driver and squeezed through a tiny hole. Free at last, Ollie swam in his tent and shared his clever escape with his best friend, Luna the mermaid. Luna was amazed by Ollie's ingenuity. Together, they explored the ocean, solving the puzzles and helping the other sea creatures. Ollie's quick thinking and adaptability made him a hero underwater the world. The end. Would you like this story? If you want more stories, tell me in the comments, please. I am coloring his eye, blue color. I am coloring his tentacles with different colors, orange color. Purple color. Blue color. Yellow color. Dark pink color.